Patnubay ng magulang ang kailangan.
Balitang tatantanan, 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 balitang tatantanan.
Meanwhile, one African-American teenager was told by his friends to do a somersault over a pile of snow. The teenager accepted the challenge. Here's the video. Video brain exploding.
Yo, what's up?
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
I'm never getting. It's like the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
Mali talaga ang ginawa ng binata. Dahil mag-somersault ka ba naman si Snow? Eh, winter noon. Dapat mag-somersault ka kapag summer. At yan ang mga balitang kakaiba ang trip.
Mga balitang nakaka-flip.
Mga balitang iwas sa droga at iwas sa bruha.
Mga balitang galing sa kabila.
Mga balitang galing sa mata sa dila. Ito ang
Balita! Pa! Siksik!